Hello everyone, a warm welcome to you all in my channel. Today we are going to review for the Microsoft Surface Pro 2-in-1 laptop. If you are looking to buy this laptop or tablet, then you may check the link below for the best price available today. If you're looking for a versatile, high-performance device that seamlessly blends the functionality of a laptop and the portability of a tablet, the Microsoft Surface Pro 2-in-1 laptop is an exceptional choice. This latest iteration of the Surface Pro series is designed to meet the demands of professionals, students, and tech enthusiasts alike. Design and build quality. The 2024 model of the Microsoft Surface Pro maintains the sleek and sophisticated design that the series is known for. Its lightweight and slim profile make it easy to carry around, whether you're moving between meetings or traveling. The magnesium alloy body gives it a premium feel, and the built-in kickstand provides excellent stability on any surface. Display. One of the standout features of this model is the 13-inch OLED touchscreen display. The vibrant colors and deep blacks make it perfect for creative work, watching movies, or simply browsing the web. The high resolution ensures crisp and clear visuals, making every detail pop. The touchscreen is highly responsive, offering a smooth and intuitive user experience. Performance. Under the hood, the Surface Pro is powered by the Snapdragon X Elite Processor, featuring 12 cores. This ensures that the device can handle multiple tasks simultaneously without any lag. Whether you're running heavy applications, editing videos, or playing games, the performance remains top-notch. The 16 GB of RAM further enhances its multitasking capabilities, ensuring a smooth and efficient workflow. Storage. With 256 GB of storage, you have ample space to store your files, applications, and media. For those who need more storage, the Surface Pro supports expandable storage options, allowing you to add more space as needed. Operating system. The Surface Pro runs on Windows 11 with Copilot Plus, providing a user-friendly interface and a host of new features designed to enhance productivity. The integration of AI and improved multitasking features make it easier to manage your work and stay organized. The new Snap Layouts and Virtual Desktops features are particularly useful for those who need to juggle multiple projects at once. Connectivity and ports. Connectivity options are robust, with support for Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring fast and reliable connections. The device also includes multiple ports, including USB-C, USB-A, and a microSD card reader, providing flexibility for connecting peripherals and transferring data. Battery life. Battery life is another strong point for the Surface Pro. With all-day battery life, you can work, stream, and play without constantly worrying about recharging. This makes it ideal for long workdays, travel, and on-the-go use. Flaws. While the Surface Pro 2-in-1 laptop, tablet has many strengths, there are a few areas where it could improve. The price point is on the higher side, which might be a deterrent for budget-conscious buyers. Additionally, while the built-in kickstand is convenient, it can be a bit awkward to use on your lap compared to traditional laptops. Lastly, the device could benefit from more ports, as users with multiple peripherals might find themselves needing an external hub. Conclusion. The Microsoft Surface Pro 2-in-1 laptop, tablet, 2024 is a powerful and versatile device that excels in both performance and design. Its high-quality display, robust performance, and all-day battery life make it an excellent choice for a wide range of users. While it comes with a premium price tag and a few minor drawbacks, its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses, making it a top contender in the hybrid device market. If you're looking for a device that offers the best of both worlds, a laptop and a tablet, the Surface Pro is definitely worth considering.